Hi, I'm Nico. Shake your money, nigga, like somebody about to pay ya. I see you on my radar, don't you act like you afraid of shit.
You know I got it, if you wanna come get it, stand next to this money like,
who's watching? Tell me who's watching? Who's watching me? I'm just an average man with an average life. I work from 9 to 5. Hey, hell, I pay the price. All I want is to be left alone in my average home. But why do I always feel like I'm in the twilight zone? I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? Oh, when I come home at night, I bolt the door real tight. People call me on the phone, I'm trying to avoid it. Well, can the people on TV see me? Can they? Or am I just paranoid? When I'm in the shower, I'm afraid to wash my hair. Cause I might open my eyes and find someone standing there. People say I'm crazy, crazy, just a little touch. But maybe showers remind me of psycho too much. I always feel like somebody's watching me, and I have no privacy. Oh, I always feel like somebody's watching me. Tell me, is it just a dream? Oh, hey, who's watching? Who's watching me? Tell me who's watching.
Play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it, don't play with it.